Aloha everyone, this is Jyoti Graziano with eXp Realty on Maui. Today I'm excited to do a walking tour of 30 Hoawaa Way, which is in the gated community of Wailea Kai. Wailea Kai is located across the street from Keawakapu, which is a world-famous beach known for its golden sand, excellent views of Molokini Crater, a great place for whale watching, swimming, beach walks. Without further ado, welcome to 30 Hoawaa Way. Upon entry, you're greeted by this custom ornamental ginger flower gate. Lovely fenced-in yard, front yard. Front lanai, there's a area where you can enjoy morning coffee or breakfast. This neighborhood is very peaceful. And the front door also has a ginger flower etched glass door. It opens to an open concept living area. The dining and living room. Spacious chef's kitchen with mahogany cabinets. A thermidor fridge. Thermidor oven and microwave. Thermidor gas stove. We also have a bar here with a wine cooler. And just off the kitchen is the garage, two-car garage, and a laundry room with lots of storage and back door entry. We have a lovely courtyard, accessed off of the dining room and also off of the guest wing. Got some can lighting, and it is a wonderful place for entertaining. I love how low maintenance this yard is, and I love the flow of the indoor and outdoor space. Beautiful tray ceiling. Just makes the home feel that more spacious. And then here's access to that front lanai. This is the primary suites. I just love the layout of this home. There's so much privacy for you and the guests. Got a his and hers closet. And your own private lanai. It does open back to the courtyard area, but it does have some privacy. We also have tray ceilings in here lots of light. More storage here in the hall between the primary bedroom and bath. We've got additional storage here, the linen closet. Deep soaking tub, frosted glass windows, a walk-in shower, This is the guest wing. There's a linen closet here. Nice bathroom with a walk-in shower. Here's the second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom, currently being used as an office. It's got a built-in two-person desk. And the side yard that also connects to the courtyard area, its own little backyard area. Double sliding doors. And more bookshelves here. This home in the gated community of Wailea Kai is 1,948 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it was built in 1988 and remodeled in 2008. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to do an in-person or a live virtual tour, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help with this property or any other property on Maui.